stuck with your CAT preparation or you don't know how to actually get to the next level, if you want free resources to crack CAT, this is the video you should watch. So in this video, I'll list down all the free resources we have on Cracku.in, starting with our 3 free CAT mocks plus 1 sectional free completely for each of the sections. So that is 1 quant sectional, 1 verbal sectional, 1 DILR sectional. These are essentially 4 free CAT mocks. These have been taken by thousands of students, so you will get a very accurate picture of where you stand in your CAT preparation. The second resource, our YouTube channel, which has many revision playlists as well as preparation videos. We have excellent revision playlists for VARC revision, quant revision and DILR revision. So all of these have been watched multiple times. They are the best resources when it comes to revision. So if you are stuck with any section and you don't know how to actually improve, or if you feel that okay, you've forgotten some parts of the syllabus, go through our revision videos. They are very good at covering the syllabus as well as highlighting which parts are important and how you should be approaching the section. In addition to that, we have several videos, marathons, preparation videos, many videos that you can see for completely free, which will help you cover the syllabus and also get a lot of practice. Third resource is our CAT daily targets. I know a lot of students are big fans of CAT daily targets with good reason. It is one of those resources which will enforce discipline, which is taken by thousands of students every single day. I know a lot of students who come to Cracku every single day and do not miss a single day of their daily target. The daily target is a short test, 5 questions for quant, 5 questions for VARC, 5 questions for DILR. These short tests essentially mean that every day you practice at least a little bit. This discipline goes a long way in reaching big goals. The fourth and most underrated resource is our CAT previous year's papers. So Cracku has CAT previous year's papers in mock format. We also have them as downloadable as PDFs, and we have video solutions for all of these mocks. So if you are looking for free additional mocks, there is nothing better than taking the previous year's CAT papers in the mock format, figuring out how much you are scoring, figuring out what was the cutoff for that year and seeing whether you would clear the cutoffs or not. And if you get stuck on any question, well, the video button is right there. You can see all the videos for each of these previous year's questions. Fifth, and a very good tool for revision formulas is our CAT formula PDF. The CAT formula PDF is basically a short PDF which you can download and print it out. Keep it with you, it's an essential handbook. So if you ever feel that I'm forgetting formulas, there are so many formulas. For example, geometry has so many formulas, I tend to keep on forgetting them. So you can keep that printout with you. Every time before a mock, make sure that you go through that PDF one, so that if there is any formula that you tend to forget, you can revise it just before a mock. These are very useful handbooks. Last but not the least, free practice questions in PDF format. So we have made section-wise and topic-wise PDFs, like 50 questions from arithmetic, 50 questions from profit and loss. You can download these PDFs. They are very good practice material. So if you are just looking for additional practice material completely for free, make sure that you download these PDFs. So these 6 free resources are the best resources, and I would say that the only free resources that you need to crack CAT. So I hope all of you do utilize this and make the best of the last 1 month to CAT. Best luck to everyone, and I'm sure that all of you are going to do very well in CAT 2025.